So you saw on my last video that I painted one of the rare side panels. I really only did that one just to see how it was all going to work out and be applied. So I painted painted quite a few bits now. The belly pan there. Now it's going to be a little bit difficult to get a good view of it all in here, because I've only just literally lacquered all of that, so it's quite wet, so I can't touch it exactly. Now I did manage to get myself a little run just there. Yeah, you can see as I move the camera around, the reflection. That will flat out quite easily. The side panel there, I had a little friend come in, look. Yeah. Lovely little moth must have landed in it. I'm pretty sure that will flat out anyway. Might be a little tiny mark left in that. But what can you do? So it came out all right apart from that. As you can see, we have the front mud guard. Had to do a few repairs on this thing, bit of plastic repair. That came out all right, no problems. As you can see, and then of course we have the tank. I managed to get a little tiny run on this as well, right there. There you can see it, just there. Nothing major, that will flat out. So overall, it's come out rather nice. I'm having to squeeze myself around everything here and watch where I'm going. There you can see it all there. What I will do is I will flatten polish everything which needs to be done, and then do another video of showing them all polished up and cleaned. Yeah, that little moth there, what a pain in the butt to get him in there, right in the right awkward little spot and all. Yeah, there's always something, isn't there? But yeah, I've got to admit that Chromacoat is rather nice. I did use a new lacquer this time, and I didn't like it because it's very runny, a very runny lacquer. I'm not saying that that's the reason why I got the runs, but it more than likely is the reason why I got those runs. The other lacquers I've used before, nowhere near as runny as this other lacquer I'm using. The lacquer I'm using at the moment came as a kit, and it's that one. Comes as a kit. But I found it to be very, very runny. I don't put thinners in my lacquer. I know some people do, but I'll tell you what, if you put thinners in that, it'd be like water. So, and of course I use that gun there. 1.4 nozzle. May have been a little bit too big for it, but it's only, normally you would use a 1.3. Didn't have a 1.3, I've got a 1.4. But I did turn the pressure down and didn't go as heavy, and still managed to get those couple of little runs. But hey, look, you know, that's the way things go. My next video, as I say, will be of these all cleaned up, polished, and have them outside, and we can see what it looks like in the daylight. Okay.